Good morning, children. Welcome back to ICAN Physics. Now, in this class, we are going to solve 2.9 from second lesson. Let's enjoy the class. So, explain what would happen if in the capacitor given in question number 2.8. That is, in the previous question. So, in the previous question, two plates of area 6 into 10 to the power minus 3 meters square is separated by a distance of 3 millimeter. So, to convert the millimeter, it is changed or multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Okay. Here, a 3 millimeter thick mica sheet of dielectric constant 6 were inserted. So, already the distance between the two is 3 millimeter. Okay. Now, a dielectric of dielectric constant 6 of thickness T equal to 3 millimeter. So, now the air is replaced by a mica sheet. Mica sheet. What happened to the capacitance? Okay. So, we know that C equal to epsilon 0 A by D. Okay. Now, the air is replaced by a mica sheet, so that C dash equal to epsilon A by D. So, what is epsilon? Epsilon 0, epsilon R. So, C dash equal to epsilon R times of epsilon 0 A by D. Now, what is epsilon 0 A by D? It can be taken as C. So, C dash equal to epsilon R times of C. Okay. So, what is epsilon R? Epsilon R is the dielectric constant. Okay. So, in some of the books, they are referring as K. Okay. So, it may be K or epsilon 0. So, both will be same. So, the value of epsilon R is 6. Okay. So, 6 into C. So, what we have find? 17.708 into 10 to the power minus 12. Okay. Now, 5 8s are 40. 6 8s are 48. Okay. Okay. So, C dash equal to this much. This much. Okay. Now, compare. Here the capacitance is 17.708. Now, the capacitance is 106 times of. Okay. So that the C dash is greater than C. Okay. So, how much times? Epsilon R times. Epsilon R times increases. Okay. So, what will be the charge? Okay. So, we know that C equal to Q by V. Okay. So, when it is with the dielectric constant, so we can modify C dash equal to Q dash by V. So, now the division becomes this as multiplication. So, Q dash equal to C dash into V. Okay. So, what about C dash? That is 106.248 into 10 to the power minus 12 into V. So, what is the value of V? It will be 100 volt. Okay. It will be 100. So, because of 20, we can go for 2 digit. So, 106.24.8 into 10 to the power minus 12 is the charge. Okay. So, the unit of charge is coulomb. Okay. So, the first one, while the voltage supply remains connected. When it remains connected, the C dash and the Q dash, because they are taking the value of the same 100. Okay. The second option, B, after the supply was disconnected. So, when the supply was disconnected, what happened? The potential will be decreases. Potential will be decreases. So, we know that C equal to Q by V. Yes. Now, I want to modify the formula. Okay. So, C dash equal to Q by V dash. Why? Because the voltage will decreases actually after the disconnection. How much it will be disconnected? This decreases. So, V dash equal to Q by C dash. Now, what is the value of Q? The value of Q is 1770.8 into 10 to the power minus 1. C dash. So, what is the value of C dash? That is 106. 106.248 into 10 to the power minus 12. So, minus 12 getting cancelled. So, in 1700. So, how many? 106. That is 16.67. That is the voltage. So, this much of voltage. Okay. Okay. So, after the supply was disconnected, the potential drop or potential difference between the two plate decreases. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubts? No doubt.